to oxidative and payoff phase. During this phase, oxidation by removal of hydrogen takes place, and in these steps only ATP generation occurs. So, first step in this phase is oxidation and phosphorylation. In the presence of enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, 3-PGAL undergoes dehydrogenation. Simultaneously, it undergoes phosphorylation, that is, inorganic phosphate gets incorporated to give 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. During this reaction, the coenzyme NAD, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, takes up 2H plus ion and gets reduced to NADH2. Then ATP generation 1 takes place. 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid is converted into 3-phosphoglyceric acid by removal of phosphate group. This phosphate combines with ADP to produce an ATP molecule. The reaction takes place in presence of enzyme phosphoglycerokinase. After that, next step is isomerization. In this step, the enzyme phosphoglyceromutase brings about the conversion of 3-phosphoglyceric acid into its isomer 2-PGA. In this reaction, the phosphate group is shifted from the third carbon atom to second carbon, and hence it forms 2-PGA. Now come to the next step, that is dehydration. 2-PGA undergoes dehydration and phosphoenol pyruvic acid, or PEPA in short, is formed. The enzyme enolase catalyzes the reaction in the presence of Mg2 plus ion cofactor, and one water molecule is released. After that, ATP generation 2 takes place. On hydrolysis, phosphoenol pyruvic acid loses a phosphate group, and this is called dephosphorylation, and it gives pyruvic acid or pyruvate. The released phosphate group combines with the ADP, and ATP generation takes place in the presence of enzyme pyruvate kinase. And at the end of glycolysis, one glucose molecule is converted into 2 molecules of pyruvate. As each reaction in the oxidative and payoff phase occur twice, because there are 2 PGAL molecules, therefore 2 ATP molecules are generated at ATP generation 1 and 2 more ATP molecules at ATP generation 2. In all, it produces 4 molecules of ATP. 2 molecules of NADH2 are also produced at oxidation and phosphorylation. The overall equation for glycolysis may be written as glucose plus 2 NAD plus 2 ADP plus 2 inorganic phosphate. In the presence of various enzymes, it is converted into pyruvate plus 2 NADH2 plus 2 ATP. That's it in the pathway of glycolysis, and that's it in this video.